Good day. I'll be showing you how to install the Minus40 medical cabinet warmer. I will do the demo on a 230-liter medical warmer cabinet. So the first thing that you must always remember is not to store any flammable material or liquid inside the warming cabinet. And then when you receive your warming cabinet, you must check for damages and then report any damages to the provided number, the Minus40 service number. The next thing you do after doing your inspection and is to check the environmental condition of the room where the medical warmer will be located. And then you must make sure that the ambient temperature is stable, and then an ideal temperature should be around 22 degrees. And then the next thing that you do, make sure that the unit is not located next to any heat source. Next thing you do, you need to pack your shelvings, and then we supply the shelves together with the J clips, and then we also supply the voltage protector. And then you must also make sure that to get a qualified electrician to check the power supply at your facility. And then what I will do next, I will install the shelves for the medical wall mounted tiliter. It uses three shelves. So I'll first gonna put the J clips inside the unit, and then I'll put the shelf as well. After fitting your J clips, the next thing you do is you need to fit the shelves. You start from the bottom one first. As you can see, it's quite easy to fit. You just need to tilt the shelf and then you drop it. After doing that, the next thing you do is you need to use the provided voltage protector and then plug it onto the power socket. You must note there's a 3 to 5 minutes delay on the voltage protector. So you must just wait until the lights change green before you plug the unit. Okay, the unit is green now. So I'll plug my warming cabinet. As you can see, the unit is on and the controller is also on. And then I'll start explaining some of the components. So I'll explain the main component on the warming cabinet. We have a controller here which regulates the temperature inside the cabinet. We also have a light switch, which on that switch the light on and off. And then we also have a main switch. If you want to, in case of an emergency that you need to actually switch the entire unit off, you can just switch the entire unit off using this red button. As you can see, the unit is completely off. And then if I want to switch the unit on again, I just press again the same button. And then there's also a user-friendly handle that comes with a key set, so you can be able to lock your variable inside. And then we also have an internal fan inside, and then which distributes the warmer evenly inside the warming cabinet. And then you can see the design of the shelves. It is also a distribution plate which allow to have the same temperature throughout the cabinet. We also have vent lines on both left and right hand side as well. The main component is actually your controller, which regulates the temperature inside the cabinet. For you to be able to change the temperature is very easy. There is a down and a up arrow button. So by using the up arrow button, I'll be able to change the set point. So currently the set value is 30 degrees. So I'll change that to 40. You can press an Alt to change quicker. So I passed to 40, I'm on 42.3, so I can use the down arrow button to go back to 40 degrees. Okay, and I'm currently on 40.0, and then I can leave the down arrow button. And then the one that you see on top shows the cabinet temperature. So the cabinet temperature is warming up to 40 degrees. So this allow you to, at any given time, to see both temperature, the set temperature and the actual cabinet temperature at any given time. A part of controlling the inside temperature. So the controller does have a alarm notification. There is a high and a low temperature alarm notification, which is audible and visual as well. There is a sensor, a 40 sensor alarm. There's also a deviation band alarm. Let's say your set point is 40 degrees. So after reaching the 40 degrees, someone maybe forgot to close the door, or if the temperature passed 40 degrees for more than 15 minutes, you'll receive an alarm notification. Okay, also note that all the alarms are audible and visual. You'll be able to see them on the controller display. Okay, so the next thing you do, you just need to wait for your unit to reach temperature, which is very quick. As you can see, the unit is already on 38.6, which is really close to 40. So it does reach the temperature very quickly. Even if you open the door, the temperature recovery time is quite quick. So it does have a quick recovery time, and then also the heat loss is very minimal, which is very good on all of our three range of on the medical warming cabinet. So in case of service, if anything wrong with the unit, we provide our service contact details. You can call our office, and then we will gladly assist you. Thank you for always supporting the Minus40 brand. We really appreciate. Thank you very much.